We're talking about the country of Virodia here. I don't know how to pronounce it. The country of Virodia or whatever, has until now been barely self-sufficient. So just about self-sufficient in both meat and grain, just meeting the requirements. Okay, so it means self-sufficient as a country means they are not really importing or exporting. They are just self-sufficient. So just able to meet the demands of the people who are living in that country. Greater prosperity means more wealth there has gone hand in hand with steadily increasing per capita consumption of meat. Okay, so now people have more wealth, so they are eating more meat. Okay, and it takes several pounds of grain used as feed to produce 1 pound of meat. Okay, but it takes several pounds of grain used as feed to produce 1 pound of meat. Okay, so a lot of grain is used as a feed. So whatever animal you're going to eat as meat, you need to feed that animal. So a lot of many pounds are needed as feed to produce 1 pound of meat. Okay, and per capita consumption of meat is going to go up, so you'll need a lot more pounds of grain now, right? Per capita income is almost certain to rise further, so it's going to go up further. So there's going to be even greater prosperity. Yet, increases in domestic gain production are unlikely. Domestic grain production is not going to go up. Okay, but the income is going to go up. If the income goes up, then probably there's going to be more meat consumption and there's going to be demand of more grain, right? And but the we are not going to produce more of grain domestically. So probably we are going to get grain from outside, or probably we are going to get meat from outside, or people are if people reduce their consumption of grain, then also we are good to go. Let's see which of the following is most strongly supported by the information given. Some land in Virodia that is currently used for grain production. So some land that is currently used for grain production will soon be turned into pasture land for grazing cattle for meat. Okay, we use grain as feed. Of course, people would also be eating grain, but we use grain as a feed to produce meat. But of course, some animals also graze, right? These pasture land, so eat grasses and all that, and they can also be used for meat. But we don't know about these two categories of animals, right? It's saying some land that is used for grain production will be soon be turned into pasture land. But how will that help? We don't know. And secondly, even sorry, we don't even know whether the country of Erodia has eats those kind of animals which really consume this, right? Probably it eats only those animals that feed on grain. So we have no information about this, that this is even helpful, or whether there are any animals that uh, graze here. No information about this. Option B, in the future, per capita income in Virodia is unlikely to increase as rapidly as it has in the past. So it's comparing the increase in income, right, in the future versus in the past. But we have no information about this, right? Probably it's going to increase as rapidly or it's going to increase even more rapidly. We have no information about it. In Virodia, the amount of grain it takes to produce 1 pound of meat is likely to increase. It's saying that it's going to make the problem even worse. And the amount of grain it takes to produce 1 pound of meat is likely to increase. Okay, but we don't know whether it's going to increase. It may remain the same. Why do we expect the problem to become even worse? right? So there is no information about this. Grain is soon likely to make up a larger proportion of the average Virodian's diet than ever before. You know that they are increasing per capita consumption of meat. What about grain? Are they eating more grain also? We don't know, right? Probably they are eating the same amount of grain. They're eating more meat, probably same grain. In that case, grain is actually going to become a smaller proportion, right? How can we say it's going to become a larger proportion? Option E, Virodia is likely to become an importer of grain or meat or both. This seems to be a sensible option, right? Because per capita income is going up. So per capita consumption of meat will go up, and we'll need a lot of grain to satisfy that demand of meat. But the domestic grain production is unlikely to go up. So we are going to import grain or meat or even both, right, to satisfy the local demand. So this seems to be a sensible option. So option E is the answer.